Despite headline inflation cooling compared with the double-digit spikes seen during the pandemic, American households continue to grapple with persistently high prices for basic essentials, challenging the belief that inflation went away. According to the latest Bureau of Labor Statistics data, consumer prices remained elevated at a 2.7% annual increase as of December 2025, with essentials such as groceries showing their largest monthly rise since August 2022, underscoring that everyday costs are still rising even as overall inflation stabilizes. This persistence reflects a broader shift in the U.S. cost structure. While headline inflation has slowed, price levels in crucial categories like food, shelter, and healthcare have settled at permanently higher plateaus, meaning Americans pay more now than before the inflation surge. Cost pressures also show up upstream. Recent wholesale price figures signal that producers continue facing elevated input costs, which often filter down to consumers over time. For retirees and those approaching retirement, this reality presents a deepening financial challenge. Social Security beneficiaries received a 2.8% cost of living adjustment, or COLA, for 2026, intended to help benefits keep pace with price increases. However, experts note that this rise still falls short of covering real-world cost growth, especially in healthcare and housing, where price rises often outpace average inflation metrics. Additionally, premiums and out-of-pocket healthcare costs are eating into those modest benefit increases, leaving many seniors with limited net gain. At the same time, middle-income Americans report persistent financial stress, with many feeling underprepared for retirement due to elevated everyday costs and difficulty saving amid stalled wage growth and rising debt burdens. Surveys show a significant portion of households are using credit more frequently and struggling to build adequate retirement savings, leaving them vulnerable to longer lifespans and sustained price pressures. These economic conditions reveal a simple but stark reality. Prices have normalized at higher levels, and cooling inflation rates do not automatically translate into lower cost at the checkout line. For retirees on fixed incomes and working families alike, the result is a subtle but powerful squeeze on living standards, fueling concerns that the American retirement system is facing one of its toughest affordability tests in decades.